A chatbot that gives wrong answers is annoying, but an agent that takes wrong actions, that's dangerous. Imagine telling an agent to clean up old test files, and it deletes your entire test suite. Today we're covering the 7 ways AI agents fail spectacularly and how to stop each one. Failure mode number 1, infinite loops. The agent keeps searching, rephrasing, and searching again, never deciding it has enough information. 50 steps at a penny each adds up fast, and you get 0 useful output. The fix: set a max step limit, detect repeated actions, and cap your costs per query. Failure mode 2, tool abuse. Your agent might run shell commands you never intended, like piping curl to bash. Or it hammers an API 10,000 times to be thorough, getting you rate limited or banned. Sometimes it even uses web search to answer 2 plus 2. Prevention means tool and strict argument validation. Failure mode 3, cost explosion. Large context windows, multiple LLM calls per step, multi-agent systems, costs multiply fast. A single runaway task can blow your entire day's budget, and it happens silently. You need a budget guard class that tracks every token and kills the task when it hits your limit. Failure mode 4, hallucinated actions. The agent calls tools that don't exist, passes completely wrong argument types, or worse, fabricates results without actually calling the tool. The LLM is just predicting tokens, and if a tool result seems predictable, it might skip the call entirely and make up the answer. Failure mode 5, gold drift. The agent starts fixing a typo and ends up refactoring your entire. It's like a developer who went to fix one bug and came back having rewritten the auth system. You prevent this with explicit task boundaries in your prompt and a task completion checker that asks, "Are we still on track?" Failure mode 6, cascading errors. One error leads to another and the agent spirals. File not found, so it creates one with wrong format, the app crashes, the agent makes it worse trying to fix it, and now you've got a full meltdown. The fix is an error counter with a bailout after 3 consecutive failures. Failure mode 7, confidentiality leaks. Your agent reads one user's medical records and then tells the next user all about it. In multi-tenant or shared memory systems, this is a lawsuit waiting to happen. Always isolate sessions, scrub PII from memory, and never share context between users. Now let's put it all together. Every production agent needs a safety checklist. Max step limits, cost budgets, tool rate limiting, human in the loop for dangerous actions, loop detection, gold drift monitoring, and proper logging. Miss any one of these and you're playing with fire. Here's a SafeAgent wrapper class that bundles all these protections. It takes your agent, wraps it with configurable max steps, cost limits, timeouts, and an approval list for dangerous tools. This is your starting template. Adapt it to your use case, but never skip the guardrails. Let's recap. Set a max step limit. 15 is a great default. Budget guards are non-negotiable. Require human approval for anything destructive like delete, send, or deploy. Detect loops, catch drift, and always have a kill switch. Your agent is only as safe as the guardrails you build around it.